Hello there! I hope you're having a wonderful day. I know that my day is about to get a little bit better because I'm going to be trying on some clothes. I was able to get over $500 worth of clothing for less than $100. I know, pat on the back. In this episode of Adara Unboxed, I will be sharing and trying on my giant loft haul. Welcome to Adara Unboxed, or welcome back if you've been here before. If you're new, my name is Adara. I unbox things. I am super excited for today's unboxing. I think unboxing clothing hauls is one of my favorite things to do. Not only do I love trying on clothes, I love buying clothes for crazy discounts, and I love hearing from you guys down in the comments about what looks good and what doesn't, because I am not like a fashionista. So I like buying clothing that I might not typically wear and sharing it with you all so that you guys can give me positive reinforcement to actually wear this clothes out in the real world. I'm really hoping that the items that I did get are going to serve me well, because I think at least half of them are final sale, which means I can't return them. Even if they don't fit, I can gift them to someone, hopefully, that they will fit, because the price was too good to pass up. During this flash sale, everything on the site was up to 70% off. All of the pieces that I got were already on sale, and then I got an additional 40 to 70% off depending on the piece. Let's do some math. The total for everything that I bought, if it were at full price, would have been $568.50. But y'all know me, I don't pay full price for anything. The price after the flash sale and an additional 10% off coupon that they sent straight to my email was $98.90. I also earned 2% cash back on this order from Rakuten, so an additional $1.98 off of that, making my final total $96.92. I kind of can't even believe it. A couple of notes. If you're not already signed up for Rakuten and you do any amount of online shopping, you absolutely should be. It is a free service. They give you cash back on your purchases online. I will leave my referral link down below. If you use that to sign up for Rakuten for the first time, not only will you earn cash back on whatever you're buying online, they will also give you $30 cash back on your first $30 or more purchase. And it would appear that if you add some things to your Loft cart and then don't buy them and wait a day or two, Loft seems to send you an email giving you a 10% off code for a regular price purchase. I don't know how I was able to use a regular price purchase coupon on sale items, but I was. I think you just can't use it off of clearance items, but if they're on sale, then maybe anything goes. So something to keep in mind and try the next time you're going to be shopping at Loft. Let's get this party started. I'm going to go try on a top and I will be right back. This is the Bouquet ruffle neck mixed media top. I love this. I really like Loft for their blouses. They do a very good job with blouses that just look like nice and kind of casual, but could totally transition to work or going out in the evening. This one has a really cute little ruffle neck, and the buttons go low enough that you can kind of, you know, keep it super profesh or open it up for like a date night, a little wine. The wrists on this are also elastic, so, you know, I don't know if I care about that, but it is kind of nice. You can also, you know, then put them up and they'll stay where you put them, which is cool. I would probably give this guy a little tuck because it's kind of long. But the mixed media part of this, if you haven't had a Loft mixed media shirt before, this front part is blouse-like material, sheer and like not silky, maybe like nylon? I don't really know how to describe this. It feels like what a typical blouse would feel like. The back panel, however, is like a cotton, like a soft, somewhat stretchy cotton. And I don't really know why they do that, because it's the exact same print, but they do, and whatever, I don't care, it's comfortable. This shirt was originally $59.50, but I got it for $9.42. Not too shabby. I'm gonna go throw on another shirt. I'm gonna need y'all's advice on this one. This is the Dobby Ruffle Yolk shirt. It looked very cute on the model. I don't think it looks that cute on me. I kind of feel like I should have listened to the comments that said like the shoulders were way too wide and looked comical, because that's kind of what's happening here. I don't think I would mind it if the neck were different. I would be okay with like a really broad shoulder if, I don't really know. I don't know how the neck would need to be different in order to make this look better, but this just is, it feels like it's swallowing me up. Don't get me wrong, this is like a really cute detail. It kind of reminds me of like the 80s, or maybe like in the 80s what my grandma would have worn. And so it's kind of like cute and sweet. And I like the color, I like the little polka dots. The sleeves are okay, they're all elasticated and ruffled. I almost feel like if the collar just went to right here, like right to the collarbone, instead of like halfway up the neck, that would solve the issue. Like, doesn't that already seem cuter? Luckily, this was a $69.50 shirt, but I got it for $9.41. I think I have a tank top in there. I'm gonna switch over to that. This is the super soft scoop neck tank, and super soft is right. Now this is pretty basic, but I'm pretty basic, so I like it. I really like this color. It's this really nice, almost between like a teal and an emerald green. It is actually really soft, and I like the ribbing on it. If you can see the detail, I don't know if you can. It adds like a nice texture to it. This is also like really nicely fitted, and it's very elasticy. And I think that if I did a little tuckaroo and wore this with some high-waisted pants and maybe a cardigan, ooh, I would just feel so cute. This tank was originally $22.50, but I got it for $7.02. Let's change our pants. These are the Blue and Gray ribbed joggers. I absolutely love them. I'm very obsessed with joggers. I almost exclusively live in joggers. And they're also somewhat high-waisted. They feel very soft. And at the moment, they are the perfect length. I'm a little bit worried that this material may shrink in the washing machine. The only thing I could probably do without is this thick tie cord around the waist. They could have done just a really like simple silky tie or something, and it probably would have looked a lot more elegant and been a lot more comfortable. This is pretty bulky. These joggers were originally $69.50, but I got them for $8.06. On to the next one. Apparently, Romper pajamas has become all the rage. So you best believe when I saw these on the Loft website, I snatched them up. This is the Heathered Pajama Romper, and I'm in love. One thing that concerned me when I was putting in my order was that they apparently didn't even make my size in this romper, so I had to order the next size up. And it is a little bit big, but I also think it's supposed to be. Like, I don't necessarily think that this is for going out. It's pretty thin material, although it is super soft. The thing is, it has this really nice drawstring at the waist, so it doesn't actually feel loose. I mean, it's nice and tight enough on my waist to hold it up. It has these super cute little pockets, which I love, and it's just really comfortable. It's a perfect length, again, at the moment. Fingers crossed I don't shrink it in the washer. And it feels like something that would be super comfortable to sleep in and also super comfortable to wear during the day at home. I honestly wish that they had had this in more colors at the time that I bought it, so I could have bought a few more. This romper was originally $69.50, and I got it for $9.41. Next up, these are the high-rise skinny jeans in washed black. This is my first time trying Loft jeans, and I think that their sizing chart is wrong. I definitely ordered these per the measurements that were listed on their site in the sizing guide, but these are, I think, one size too big. But they do feel like they fit in the legs, so maybe this is my size and this is just how their skinny jeans fit. I will say this doesn't look like a skinny jean to me. It looks more like a straight jean. They fall right above my ankle bone, so they're a little bit short. And the ankle looks a little bit flared. That being said, I do think that they're very cute. I love the color, and they do feel nice and soft and comfortable. I feel like I can move around really easily. I think I still feel really self-conscious about jeans that are a little bit short. I know that that's the style, that's what's popular, but I'm always like, people are gonna think I'm wearing high waters. And back in my day, that wasn't cool. These jeans were originally $79.50, and I got them for $24.74. I have a few more shirts, so let me go change this guy out. This is the Floral puff sleeve top, obviously. This is another one where it looked really cute on the model, and I just don't know if it looks cute on me. These sleeves on the model were definitely up, like cute puffed up sleeves, but on me this whole thing fits pretty darn big, and so they just want to glide on down. It's also a lot bigger and looser in the body than it was on the model in the photo. In the model, it almost looked like a bodysuit, which I thought was super cute, like this tight-fitting bodice and then the big puffy sleeves. But I don't feel like that's the silhouette that I'm getting. I think the pattern is cute. I think the V-neck is cute. The material doesn't feel like what I thought it was gonna feel like. It's kind of like bunched up. It's elasticy, but it doesn't have like a ton of give at the seams. Like I can't put these up. The seam issue is the same at the bottom. Like the thread that they used to sew this very elasticy shirt is not an elastic thread, so this doesn't stretch. I just feel very limited with my options with this shirt. I could tuck it, but it still is really loose. I can't tie it, I don't think there's enough space to do that. I can't really wear the puffy sleeves puffed because they just want to fall down. This one might be a dud. However, it was originally $59.50 and I got it for $6.71. If you're going to spend money on a shirt that you'll never wear, at least it was only $6. On to the next. This is the Shirred split neck mixed media top. I wasn't sure if I would like this. I think based on the reviews, I didn't have the best reviews, but I think this is super cute. It is, again, another blouse. It is mixed media, which is the blousey material on the front and the cotton soft t-shirt material on the back. Again, the sleeves are elastic, which means I can very easily roll them up. And it has this like very nice, cute little ruffle design just to add a little something something. And one singular button at the neck. I think the model in the photos was wearing it unbuttoned, which I think is very cute. But I think buttoned is equally as cute. What a good find. I would definitely give it a tuck in the front at least, but maybe in the back too, just depending on how I'm wearing this. I think I could probably wear this for work if I have auditions for like business lady #1. I think it's very cute. I love the color. I think this color looks really good on me. This one is a good find. This shirt was originally $49.50, but I got it for $13.37. All right, we're down to our last item. Let me go put that on. This is the Bobble Sweater. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I'm neutral. I don't think it's super flattering. It looks like oversized, but like, in the wrong ways. I got this because I love the colors. I think that Loft calls this their space dye anytime they do these kind of rainbowy colors that blend into each other. I really like that. I don't remember if this was supposed to be like a mock neck. I mean, it is a mock neck, but it's a really high mock neck. I think if it were half of that, it would be better. Something more like that. And I probably could put a few little stitches in here to hold it like that, but otherwise it's too short to actually stay. If I like just did this and went out for the day, it would just fold back up. The sleeves I thought would be cute because they're wide sleeves with a tighter wrist, but I think everything makes me kind of look like a marshmallow. It's slightly better if I do a front tuck. I don't know, maybe it's cool, maybe it's, you know, casual and cute. The baubles aren't that crazy, which I'm happy for. They're more just like the sewing is really thick in those spots. It's not necessarily like a pom-pom sewn onto the sweater, which I wasn't 100% sure if it would be or not. So I think it's okay. On a good note, this sweater was originally $89.50, but I got it for $10.76. I think my faves from this series were definitely the blouses. I think I'll always love the way blouses from Loft fit on me. They just look nice. Fancy, but not too fancy. The link to Loft is down below if you want to check out their current offerings, see if they have any good sales going on. And don't forget to sign up for Rakuten so that when you do shop at Loft, you get your cash back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon for another Adara Unboxed adventure. Bye!